Let me show you how you can remove backdrop from your image directly in Microsoft PowerPoint. Select the image. You can do it by dragging and dropping your image into the slideshow or using the Insert tab. When the image is already in the slideshow, click on it and then go to Picture Format over here. The very first option on the list should be Remove Background. Click on it. They will highlight the remove area, that's the violet color, but we can change that. So I use plus mode to add this part back. And then I use the minus mode, the red one, to take this part away. And also here as well. So feel free to adjust this default state like I just did. Click OK to confirm, and the backdrop is gone. Let's try with one more picture here. Very business-like image. Click Picture Format, Remove Backdrop again. And we got two options we can add or remove. So we're going to add the hand to it. You don't need to be very precise with those tools. Just let the program know which area you want and then which area you don't want using the red color. Like here, good small area here, and it's done. I confirm. And the last example, that's the very hard picture. So let's check it out. Remove backdrop. And unfortunately, the results are not great because we got the furry creature here. The line is very sharp, so it worked just fine for humans and objects, but not very well for animals. I hope you learned something new. See you in the next one.